Hi everyone, welcome back to infyGyan. In this video, we are going to take up one very interesting question from radical mathematics. We have to simplify one cube root. So let's get started by writing given expression equal to e first. Now we can assume first radical rational expression as a, and this expression we will call b. So ultimately we are looking for cube root of a plus b. Now we will simplify a and b separately. So I will start with b, which is 1 over 2 plus square root 3. Now we will rationalize our denominator. So we need to multiply numerator denominator by denominator's conjugate, which is 2 minus square root 3. Now we have in the denominator one algebraic form a plus b times a minus b. So here we can use difference of two squares formula. So I can write numerator as 2 minus root 3 and denominator we will write a square, which is 2 square, minus b square, which is root 3 square. So b will become 2 minus square root 3 over 2 square is 4 and root 3 square is 3. So I can write this value will come out 2 minus root 3. So expression b will become 2 minus square root 3. Now we will simplify expression a. Let's write a equal to root 10 plus root 6 plus root 4 over root 5 minus root 3 plus root 2. Now we can write root 10 as root 2 times root 5. Root 6 we can write root 2 times root 3. And root 4 is root 2 times root 2 over root 5 minus root 3 plus root 2. Now we can take root 2 common out from numerator. So in the bracket, root 5 plus root 3 plus root 2. And in the denominator, root 5 minus root 3 plus root 2. Now we can write root 2 times root 5 plus root 2 plus root 3. And denominator we can write root 5 plus root 2 minus root 3. Now we will use rationalization again. So here we need to multiply root 5 plus root 2 plus root 3 in the denominator. So in the numerator, root 5 plus root 2 plus root 3. This is our a. Now denominator is a plus b, a minus b. Here we can consider root 5 plus root 2 as a and root 3 as b. So a minus b times a plus b, will write a square minus b square. Let's write here. So denominator will become root 5 plus root 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square. Now the term of numerator, this will be equal to root 5 plus root 3 plus root 2 whole square. And coefficient was square root 2. This was our expression A. Now we can apply a plus b plus c whole square formula in the numerator. So we know that root 5 square plus root 3 square plus root 2 square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab. So root 15 plus 2 times bc. So root 6 plus 2 times CA. So root 10 over A plus B whole square. So root 5 square is 5, root 2 square is 2, and 2 times the product is square root 10 minus root 3 square is 3. Now we can write square root 2. 5 plus 3 plus 2, I can write 10 plus 2 root 15 plus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 10 in the numerator, and in the denominator 7 minus 3, 4 plus 2 root 10. Now we will divide numerator denominator by 2. So we can write square root 2 in the bracket 5 plus root 15 plus root 6 plus root 10 over 2 plus root 10. Now this is our expression A. Now I will take root 2 common from the denominator, or let us write this expression here. 5 plus root 5 plus root 6 plus root 10. This was numerator, and denominator was 2 plus root 10, and coefficient was root 2, and this is equal to A. Now I can write root 2 5 plus root 15. Can we write 5 as root 5 times root 5? Then we have root 15, which we can write root 3 times root 5, plus root 6 we can write root 2 times root 3, and root 10 we can write root 2 times root 5. In denominator I will take root 2 common out, so in the bracket root 2 plus root 5. Now root 2 and root 2 will be over. Now I can take root 5 common from first two terms in the numerator. So in the bracket it will be root 5 plus root 3. From last two terms root 2 is common. We will get root 3 plus root 5 in the bracket. Denominator is root 2 plus root 5. So from numerator we can get factors root 5 plus root 3 times root 5 plus root 2 over root 5 plus root 2. Now we can cancel root 5 plus root 2. So our expression A will become root 5 plus root 3. Let's calculate E. Expression E. E was cube root of A plus B. So A was cube root of root 5 plus root 3. And B was 2 minus square root 3. So plus root 3 and minus root 3 will be over. We will write cube root of square root 5 plus 2. Now we will take cubing both sides. So I can write here E cube equal to square root 5 plus 2. Now multiply both sides by 8. So 8 cube equal to 8 root 5 plus 16. Now 8 can be written as 2 cube. So LHS can be written as 2e whole cube. And RHS will be 8 will split 5 plus 3. So we can write 5 root 5 plus 3 root 5. And then 16 we can split 15 plus 1. Now I can write 2e whole cube equal to, I will write 5 root 5 first, then our last term 1 I can write, then I will be writing 3 square root 5, and then I can write 15. Now RHS will become, if I will write 5 root 5, then it is square root 5 whole cube. 1 can be written as 1 whole cube. This term is 3 times root 5 times 1 square, and this term is 3 times root 5 square times 1. 3a square b plus 3ab square. So a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square can be written as a plus b whole cube. I can write 1 plus root 5 whole cube or root 5 plus 1 whole cube. This is equal to 2e whole cube. For real e, if I will take cube root both sides, we will get 2e equal to root 5 plus 1. And once I will divide both sides by 2, we will get our final answer for the expression root 5 plus 1 over 2. Thank you so very much for watching, friends. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself. Bye bye.